With the right accommodations, everyone can work. Following are clips of people with disabilities at their jobs. Some are using wheelchairs, mouse sticks, pointers, or a cane. Many people with disabilities excel in the workplace in part because they have the right tools and accommodations to be successful. The Americans with Disabilities Act mandates that employers provide reasonable accommodations to their employees or prospective employees who have disabilities.
Hi, I'm JJ Rico. I'm the CEO for the Arizona Center for Disability Law. As an attorney, I represented many employees with disabilities. Oftentimes, I would hear maybe the employer was confused about what a reasonable accommodation is. Reasonable accommodations are simply a modification or adjustment to one's workplace. Accommodations can be as simple as modifications to one's schedule, maybe additional training, providing someone with lists at their workplace. There are other things such as assistive technology and various forms of assistive technology that can be provided.
Clips of two ACDL workers using wheelchairs and mouse sticks in their offices.
ACDL employs many individuals with disabilities. We ask them what accommodations they may need to be successful. Our goal is to make sure that they have effective accommodations and they're able to keep their employment and be retained as long as they want to stay.
My name is Donna Powers, and I am a staff advocate investigator. The Center for Disability Law has provided me with quite a few accommodations. I use 2 monitors and a wireless keyboard, and I use Dragon Naturally Speaking as a way to edit my written work. I need to organize my contact list. I also use a mouse stick, and I can type about 38 to 40 words a minute. Start Microsoft Word. Some of the other things that I am given as an accommodation include a little bit of extra time in the morning or in the afternoon if I need it, if it involves something like trouble with a caregiver before I leave the house in the morning, or trouble on public transportation as I'm coming in.
A couple resources that I've found really valuable over the years, both for employees with disabilities and employers, are the Job Accommodation Network and the Arizona Technology Access Program. And if you go to the Job Accommodation Network website, you'll see that they have a lot of disabilities listed, and you can select that particular disability and get accommodation ideas. The Arizona Technology Access Program, one of the great resources there is they have what's called a loaner library, where you can try different technology, and that technology allows for the employee with the disability to see if it's effective. It also allows that employer to not make a big investment before confirming that it's going to work.
Very few people require extensive accommodations, as most accommodations are simple things like schedule flexibility, reminders, and inexpensive technology. Employers should recognize that even people with significant disabilities with the proper accommodations and supports, both simple and more complex, can be gainfully and productively employed. Thank you, JJ Rico, Donna Powers, John Gutierrez, Phil Pangrazio, Larry Wanger, David Carey. Arizona Center for Disability Law, Ability 360. Funded by the Sonoran University Center for Excellence in Disabilities, Arizona Center for Disability Law, Arizona Developmental Disabilities Planning Council. For more information about the Job Accommodations Network, askjan.org. For more information about the Arizona Technology Access Program, astap.org.